Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious raspberry protein bowls. They are so easy to make, so delicious, full of vitamins and healthy fats and good proteins for your body. I like to have them in my freezer as a snack on the go or just when I'm craving something naughty. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Into a food processor, add your frozen raspberries, your ground oats, softened dates, I soaked them ahead of time, stevia powder, spirulina powder, pistachio butter, and then blitz everything together. Blitz until the mixture starts to come nice and smooth. This should only take a little bit of time. I'm making a small amount, by the way. Over here I've got my dried freeze raspberries. So get your mixture out, and then I usually use the gloves to roll these bowls out. Roll them into nice circles, just like so, and then dip each bowl into your dried freeze raspberries. It really adds so much flavor. I love the raspberry flavor so much. Just repeat with all your protein bowls. And not only are they tasty, they're so healthy as well, with so much flavor and spirulina. Just gonna show you how they look inside. They're very, very soft, very creamy, and I love the raspberry pistachio flavor. I hope you try these. Enjoy.